Longest reigning pharaoh, Ramses II holds the record for the longest reign of any pharaoh in ancient Egypt. He ruled for an astonishing 66 years, from 1279 BC to 1213 BC, during the 19th dynasty of the New Kingdom. Prolific builder Ramses II was an ambitious builder and is credited with constructing numerous monumental structures across Egypt. The most famous is the Great Temple of Abu Simbel, which features colossal statues of the pharaoh hewn into the rock. Battle of Kadesh. Ramses II is renowned for the Battle of Kadesh, a pivotal conflict between the Egyptians and the Hittites. While the outcome was inconclusive, the battle is one of the earliest recorded in history and is depicted in great detail on the walls of several temples. Royal family. Ramses II had a large number of wives and children. His primary wife was Nefertari, who held a special place in his heart. Their love is immortalized in inscriptions and temples throughout Egypt. Mummy relocation. Ramses II's mummy was discovered in the 19th century, but due to concerns over its preservation, it was transported to France for restoration. During its journey, the mummy was given a passport and was treated with the same protocol as a living head of state. Father of 100 children. Ramses II was known as the father of 100 children due to his many offspring. He is believed to have fathered over 100 children, making him one of the most prolific parents in history.